On this red earth, a promise was born, a promise written in courage, a promise sealed in sacrifice. Before us, generations stood tall. They carried vision in their hearts and freedom in their hands. Today, we walk because they stood. We speak because they fought. We dream because they believed. Their land is more than soil. It is sweat. It is strength. It is spirit. In every step we take, in every goal we chase, in every voice that rises, Ghana lives. Not just in history, but in us, in our fire, in our unity, and our future. We are the red of sacrifice, the gold of hope, the green of growth. We are the black star rising. This is our land. This is our story. This